Hello, YouTube. Let's look at the market outlook for tomorrow. That is January 4th, 2024. So we are seeing, a continuous drop of S&P 500 and the all the major indexes. So if you see, Russell, Dow Jones, and QQQ and SPY, we are seeing, a drop. As I said yesterday, please look for this support area. Maybe tomorrow, all the way we can touch this support, so please look at this area, if it is holding or not. And if the support area doesn't hold, we can see, all the way, 448 level. Okay, 458 level. Okay. And QQQ, it is also same thing, we broke this minor support today. And we should, see, all the way this going, in the three 390s, 390 and 388 areas, so this is the area of, a next support. So, watch out for this. And if this support doesn't hold, I think we should go all the way back to 370 area. But if you see a bounce, we at this level, maybe we see, a little bit bounce, and then afterwards, we may see, the sell-off, because in RSI we still have a lot of room to go. Or maybe this is a pullback, we can go from here, a bounce back from there. Okay. And for Russell 2000, as we said yesterday, is basically it filled the gap. And yesterday, that's what I told. We are looking for this support, and support is not holding. It broke the support, it gapped down, and it filled the gap all the way till here. Okay. So my next thing for this Russell 2000 is that either, it may touch, there is a small support at this level. So let me draw this line, clone. Okay. So we touched here, we touched here, we touched here, and we touched here, and also, there is, some kind of a resistance it's acting. Okay, again we touched here. Okay. So I'm thinking, it's basically, it may come down all the way. Maybe, a small little bit bounce and there, but I think it should touch, somewhere this area, at this horizontal trend line. Not horizontal, it's it's an vertical trend line. So, look for this. So either it may, touch here, or, maybe some bounce, maybe touch, somewhere here. Okay. So that is about the Russell 2000. And let's quickly look at the charts. This is Apple, and we, as expected, it's still, going down. And without any doubt, I think, as I said yesterday, we may see 170 area, 173 and 175 areas for sure. So, again, watch out for this level of support, in case if it touches this. And, if you see any rejection candidate at the area of the support, it may bounce back. But I'm thinking, since Apple is, has been downgraded, the stock, I think it should touch all the way, to the 170 area. Okay. And for Nvidia, uh, this support, is holding right now. It's kind of like a broken, but again touched. Um, but, this is the area actually we can see, the support it's still holding. Yeah, watch out for this for Nvidia. If this one actually doesn't hold, I think we should see all the way till 451 area. That's what we can see. But, if you see, some kind of holding in this area, we may see a bounce all the way to this uh, trend line. Okay. And for Tesla, we clearly saw, this was broken the trend line. So we broke this. trend line, and and also this trend line. Okay. So for Tesla, I think it should touch all the way till 231 area. Okay. So so we may, in case if it bounce, I think we may get a bounce to retest this area. So it may retest this area, and afterwards it may come back to the support area. Okay, so watch out for this, like a retest, or without retest also, it may, we may see like coming back to like a 230 area. Okay. And for Bitcoin, let's go to the crypto and Bitcoin. What a drop Bitcoin we have. So we clearly saw, like this 45,000 rejection at Bitcoin. And yesterday, like we are hoping, we may see some rejection, but actually it broke through. I think it cleared. I think it triggered some stop losses here. Like who are have the stop losses. So yeah, watch out for this. I think probably like it may be a flag kind of thing. Like it is forming here. Like, but irrespective of what, I think once we break like a 46,000, I think it's a good place and where we can enter the long positions on the Bitcoin. But again, if it breaks here, this one, so this trend line, like maybe we may see all the way to 37,000. Okay. And regarding the Forex, yeah, so yesterday, like we said, it may break the trend line. So as I said, like USD and JPY and stock market are both like inversely related. So if this goes up, then like we see like a downtrend in the stock market. So that's what exactly has happened. We broke this channel, and we are at this resistance level. So watch out. We may either like retest this area and bounce back, or we can go like straight up and retest this resistance. Okay. So again, depends upon the market tomorrow. So watch out for this. And if you see like overnight, like this one is actually touched this area, and we may see like a gap down in the stock market tomorrow. Okay. So that's all about market forecast for tomorrow. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and I'll try to answer your questions. Okay. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching, and see you all tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Bye.